This is a pack and ship video, and I haven't packed these for a while, so I thought I'd show you what I'm up to. I have 8 of these to pack. 8 anchor hocking Wexford pattern tumblers. My box size that I have is an eBay box that's 16 by 12 by 8. Can I make these work in that box? I don't know, but I'm going to find out, and I'm going to show you. This is the box that I have, and as I said, it's a 16 by 12 by 8. I'm hoping to make this work. Let's start with some foam wrap. Let's wrap the glass, pull the bottom up, roll it, and I tape it with masking tape because that's less expensive than packing tape. Tuck this inside. I'm going to also fill the inside with a half a sheet of small bubble wrap. Next, I use 1 sheet of large half-inch bubble wrap on the diagonal. Sometimes I pop a bubble. And again, I use masking tape. One glass down. I'll repeat this for the remaining 7. But before I do that, I go ahead and prep all my materials. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sheets of large half-inch bubble wrap. Those are ready. I have the 7 sheets of foam wrap. And then, as you saw, I needed half sheets of small bubble wrap. So I'm going to prep these. It might take a few minutes now, but it will save you time in the long run. I have a second glass, and they've been on the shelf for a while, so a lot of times I'll dust them a little bit. What do we need first? Foam wrap on the diagonal. Tuck this in. Put that inside. A half sheet of small bubble wrap. Take a sheet of large half-inch bubble wrap. Pop a bubble if you need to, just to make it conform a little more. Especially if you're putting a lot of them in the same box like I am. See how fast this went because I have all my materials, all my packing materials prepped? 2 down. And to keep them from rolling off the table, I just use a banker box lid and start placing them in here. I'm going to put this behind me. I'm bringing 2 more glasses over. One I'll set to the side. For the remaining of packing these, I'm going to fast forward. I'm on my last one, and you will find a link for all my pack and ship materials, including the dispensers that I use, in the description below this video. Last one here. Now we need to fit these 8 glasses into the box. I have 3 sheets of large half-inch bubble wrap. I'm planning on standing the glasses up, so I'm looking at each one to find the bottom. Starting to get snug. I'm going to have to move them around a little bit. I got all 8 of them in here, and I need to put some protection around the perimeter. Trying to see if some air pillows will work. Now what it's doing is it is pushing the glasses to one side over here. So I'm not sure if I can get air pillows on this. I've got a few. Then I have some loose ones. Let's see if I can fit some more. Yes, I can fit some more here. And where you can't fit air pillows, you can fit bubble wrap. This is when your scraps of bubble wrap come in handy. I'm trying to make sure they're padded all the way around. I'm not so concerned about the center because they have a lot of bubble wrap on them. Let me get my thank you note on here. I'm going to put 2 because they bought 2 lots of glasses. Just says thank you, avante-avenue. Shop again soon. I think they're good. They are not going anywhere. I'm going to finish the top with 2 sheets of bubble wrap and see if I can tuck it in a little on each end. If it makes it too bulky, then I will just cut it to fit. I think I've got it though. Let's give it the shake test. Oh yeah, it's not going anywhere. And I can tell you that this box is very heavy compared to most things that I ship. Okay, I'm going to push this together, press the tape down. Someone said to me once, why don't you tape this all the way around and have the tape touch? Well, when you use good tape, which I use the Scotch Heavy Duty packing tape, you don't have to do that. The tape does its job. I think when you use cheap tape, you have to use twice as much of it. When you use good tape, basically it evens out in price. Less good tape that costs just a little more, or twice the amount of cheap tape to make it work. If you're printing a bunch of labels like we are today, I put the buyer's first and last initial and a dash for their state. This is going to MO in Virginia. I think it's good. If you like pack and ship videos, be sure to check out our channel, avante-avenue. I have lots and lots of pack and ship videos on a lot of glassware and all kinds of things. Check it out. Thanks for watching, commenting, and subscribing. I'm Vicki with avante-avenue, and I'll see you soon.